back. It's been, I don't even want to talk about how long it's been. Hello everybody, welcome back to Farmable. I'm heading to the wheat field in our grain cart to finish up another one of our fields. We've already done about, what did we say, like 320-ish acres. Combine's already in the field, so the moisture's about 16 and a half. It needs to be down to 14 to store it, or else it'll get hot. I'll see you guys when I get to the field, get the combines dumping. The next day we got a little bit of rained out yesterday and it was too wet to cut. The straw just gets rubbery and you can't, it'll go through the combine hard. So I've been running the cart the past few days. I don't know why I just don't get in the combine. I really should. No lunch with me today. Ate that at home before we came over and decided that the field was dry. To dump a truck today. Oh no, we're going to dump on a truck today. And this is how we do it. We pull up right next to the truck, and maybe not right next to, but like 3 feet away is a good distance. And then I usually just put her right back on the back edge. You see right here, if you can see that, I don't know. Okay. We have an IVT transmission.
Yes, sir. Dimitri, are you there?
Alright, we're going to turn that radio right off. So, hit tear, you got to weigh it going out. Turn on your PTO here and open your little gate and rev her up a little. I usually go about there, right there. Okay, now you're good to go. You're all set for right now. We have an IVT, can you see this? System. And so I don't even like use the clutch normally. I just push this in gear and then take it out. It's like much easier. Last year, or one of these years, we had a different tractor on it. And like you're constantly hitting the clutch, which like I get it, that works. But man, your left knee just starts hurting after a while. I'm not even lying either. This is an 8245R. I think it's like a 2012 or 2014. It's not that old. This wire's really bothering me. Oh God. This truck should be pretty dang full when I am done with it right here. Probably won't be able to empty the cart. And yeah, you just keep moving along here. Make sure your auger isn't hitting the truck for some odd reason. You're getting pretty full. And this truck does not have a tarp on it, so probably shouldn't be filling it this much. I'm just going to shut my gate a little bit because we're getting towards the end. Don't want to have a spill. Oil spill. Just kidding. And filling up the front quick and then back up when I feel like it. That front's pretty full right there, and just back up, fill this one last spot, and then shut the gate down. That's how you do it, folks. Perfection. Perfection right there. Truck loading oh shoot, we got a truck full too. Or a combine full. 47,860. Put that in the memory. And we're off to dump a combine, man. Hit some gross. Alright, here we go. Here we go. So that's about it for this video. Like during wheat harvest, all I've done is sat in this cart, honestly. Well, we've been hoeing in the mornings, one of our fields, and then like once the wheat dries off, which is around like noon, it's been around noon or 1 o'clock, where we can go again, because the dew sets in and moisture of the straw and the wheat goes up a little bit. So we wait for that to dry off and then we come back out here again. That's what we're doing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next video, whenever that may be. I'm not sure yet. Hopefully it's soon, as always. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and like I said, subscribe, and we'll get some more videos coming at you.